Question 4 of this exercise says ABCD is a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? So this is what we have to answer. And if we look at this inequality, then the left side, the sum on the left side, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, this is the sum of the four sides of the quadrilateral. And the sum on the right side, AC plus BD, this is the sum of the two diagonals. So we have to basically answer whether the sum of the four sides of a quadrilateral is greater than the sum of its diagonals. Now this question is based on the triangle inequality, which says that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than its third side. And we will apply this property to four different triangles in the quadrilateral. First, we will apply it to triangle ABC, which I have highlighted. Observe the figure carefully. So we will apply this to triangle ABC. Then we will apply it to triangle BCD. Then we will apply it to triangle CDA. And finally, we will apply it to triangle DAB. So we will apply this property of triangles to these four triangles that I highlighted for you. Okay, so let's first apply this property to triangle ABC. Okay, so I'm going to write this here. In triangle ABC, the sum of the two sides AB and BC, which I have highlighted in red, so AB plus BC, this must be greater than the third side, which is AC. Okay, so let's call this inequality 1. Then we apply this property of triangles to the triangle BCD. So we write in triangle BCD, the sum of the two sides BC and CD, so BC plus CD, this must be greater than the third side, which is BD. Okay, so this inequality, let's call it inequality 2. Then we go to the triangle CDA and apply this property to triangle CDA. So in triangle CDA, the sum of the two sides CD and DA, this must be greater than the third side, which is AC. And let's call this inequality 3. And finally, we apply the property to triangle DAB. So we write in triangle DAB, the sum of the two sides DA and AB, the sum of these sides must be greater than the third side, which is BD. And let's call this inequality 4. So why did we do this? Well, we applied this property to these four triangles because now if you look at these four inequalities that we have obtained, on the left side of the inequalities, if you observe the left side, so let's box all the terms on the left side, we see that each side of the quadrilateral is coming twice. So AB is coming twice in 1 and 4, then BC is coming twice in 1 and 2, then CD is coming twice in 2 and 3, and DA is coming twice in 3 and 4. And similarly, if we look at the terms on the right side we have these four terms, which are basically the diagonals being repeated twice. So we have AC and AC, and we have BD and BD. So this should give you a hint on what we should do next. So what should we do next? Well, we should simply add the four inequalities. So we add 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that means on the left side we will get twice the sum of the four sides because each side is coming twice. So we will get twice of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and on the right side we will get twice of the two diagonals, the sum of the two diagonals. So twice of AC plus BD, and of course the left side will be greater than the right side. So we have this factor of 2 and 2 on both sides, so we can cancel that out, and what we now obtain is that the left side, which is the sum of the four sides, is greater than the right side, which is the sum of the two diagonals. So the answer to this question, whether the sum of the sides is greater than the sum of the diagonals, the answer to this question is yes. And this completes question number 4. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, Explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.